Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsaiñ Hima.
Tuber Crop Development Scheme. What is the key objective of the scheme? The key objective of the scheme is to boost production and productivity of potato per unit area by providing quality HYV tuber seeds, equipments, and organic-based plant protection measures. What is the type of assistance service? Providing quality HYV seed, organic-based plant protection measures, and plant protection equipments. What is the pattern of assistance? 50% subsidy on tuber seeds, equipments, and organic-based plant protection measures. Who can apply for the scheme? Bona fide farmers engaged in agriculture possessing own or leased land. How to apply for the scheme? Bona fide farmers can apply in plain paper through the nearest Horticulture Development Officer of a CNRD block, Horticulture Circle, District Horticulture Officer. What is the beneficiary selection procedure? Bona fide farmers on first-come, first-served basis. Whom to contact? District Horticulture Officer and Horticulture Development Officer.